Hey everyone, in this video you'll learn how to set up a sales sequence in HubSpot in just a few simple steps. Start by clicking Sales in the left sidebar to open the menu. Click Revenue from the expanded menu to see more options. Now click Sequences to open the Sequences dashboard. Click the Create Sequence button in the top right corner to start building your new sequence. A sequence builder opens with template options. Click Start from Scratch to build a custom sequence. The sequence editor loads with a blank timeline. Click the automated email step to add your first email. A side panel opens with email template options. Select the template you want to use. For this example, I'm selecting Test. Your first email step appears in the sequence timeline as Automated Email Day 1. Click the Save button at the top of the page to store your sequence. The sequence title field becomes editable. Type in a name for your sequence. For this example, it's Demo Sequence. Click Save again to confirm. A Sharing Options modal opens. Click Save in the modal to complete your sequence. A success banner confirms your sequence has been saved. The Sequence Overview page loads showing the steps you've added. Click the Performance tab to see analytics once contacts are enrolled. You can also click Enrollments to view and manage contacts in this sequence. Once your sequence is saved, you can edit it at any time from the Sequences dashboard by clicking its name. To add contacts, open the sequence and click Enroll Contacts in the top right. You can enroll manually or set up automation rules to enroll contacts based on criteria. Before enrolling real prospects, test your sequence by enrolling a colleague or test contact to check timing and email content. That's how to set up a sales sequence in HubSpot. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.